Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Chat. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. To all my subscribers, thank you so much guys for amazing support. And if you are new, you are welcome. Please don't hesitate to press the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my upload. Guys, I'm back again with Mzansi Soapie stories. Today I'm talking about Imbewu, the Seed, specifically about Thokozile storyline. It seems as if the producers of Imbewu doesn't want to let Thokozile go. Maybe her storyline have many viewers we don't know. Her character, guys, was killed off by Kamadonsela Jigi Jigi Wabuya Thokozile. She was killed off again by Khanyo. She became a ghost. Now she is getting married to Ngolosi. It's been Thokozile's wish to marry her first love, Ngolosi. She tried everything, guys, even to kill Mazulu, but it didn't work. Guys, Nkululeko would decide to make her mother's dying wish come true. He will organize a traditional wedding for her mom and dad, Ngolosi. The Pengu elders will try to stop him, but they will fail. Nkululeko revealed that meddling in the spiritual realm will only land him in trouble. His life will start spiraling out of control. He will fail to perform his duties at work, and he will be involved in an accident. Even before, guys, Fikile found the truth about her paternity, because yes, she is Nkuleko's sister. She will want nothing to do with Nkuleko. Nkuleko, guys, uzwa namabhadi namasho nesikhokhala neshobolo angazi ukuthi yini enye singayisebenzisa after performing that ritual. Mind you, Thokozile is the one who killed Ngolosi. There is no way they can get married even emathuneni. Nkuleko will go back to his family for assistance after he turned his back from them. She will even ask Kamadonsela to ask or to assist him as a Sangoma trainee. Actually, guys, he'll be asking the wrong person because Kamadonsela was involved in Thokozile's death. Aliko, guys, idlozi eli strong njengela kwaBhengu. Will they accept Thokozile as their ghost makoti? Will Nkululeko survive after ecasule amadlozi akwaBhengu? That brings us to the end of this video. Please leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye. Hello everyone, welcome back to